In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure leave report settings in Zoho People 5.0. Whether you're a seasoned HR professional or just starting out, understanding how to manage leave reports efficiently is crucial. Zoho People, a comprehensive HR management tool, provides a robust platform to handle this task effortlessly. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can get it done with ease. Let's begin. First, we need to access Zoho's platform. Head over to their website, which is a hub of all their services. Once you're there, the next action is to click on the Sign In button. You might be wondering why signing in is our initial step. Well, this ensures you're accessing the correct permissions and features specifically tied to your user profile. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to the Zoho home. This serves as a centralized location where you can navigate to different Zoho applications. From here, we specifically want to enter Zoho People. This application is tailored to streamline your HR processes, including leave management. After you've clicked into Zoho People, look for the Settings option. This is typically located in the main navigation panel. Accessing the settings area is a pivotal step, because it allows us to customize various aspects of the Zoho People application. In the Settings section, find and select Reports. Now, let's take a moment to discuss why this step is essential. Configuring leave reports allows you to personalize how data is displayed and processed within your company, ensuring that everything aligns with your organization's policies and preferences. As we navigate to the reports, you'll encounter options to tweak the configurations. Although this part might seem daunting, remember that the key is understanding what your organization needs from these reports. Consider factors such as frequency, format, and the type of leave data you wish to monitor. To recap, we started by signing into Zoho and navigating through the home interface to access Zoho People. From there, transitioning into the settings panel allowed us to reach specific configurations for leave reports. By personalizing these reports, you're not only ensuring compliance, but also enhancing the efficiency of your HR team. I hope this guide has clarified the process of configuring leave report settings in Zoho People. Adjusting these settings may seem minor, but it significantly impacts the management of your workforce data. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Don't forget to explore other functionalities Zoho People offers, which can further optimize your HR management practices. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day configuring your Zoho People settings.